What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to perform a parameter reset and get your keys added back in. This is a 2018 F-150. We're using our smart key, the remote start and tailgate. So we're going to get started here. One thing you'll need to know first is where your key pocket is. On this vehicle, we have our key pocket right here. It's going to remove that little tray for the cup holder, and you will need 2 keys for this process. So it's a 2-part process. We're going to go into Immobilizer and go to Ford. Now for Fords, I like to do manual selection. We're going to find 2018 F-150. This is a smart key. Always recommend to watch your battery level as well too. We're going to go to control unit, then parameter reset, and then over here we're going to do parameter reset. It's going to want the ignition on. Go ahead and hit OK. What this error message is saying is we should only be performing this procedure if the PCM or PATS module have been replaced. Let's go ahead and hit yes. We'll let it do its thing. I'm going to let it read the data. It's going to go up to 100%. I'm going to pause the video until we get closer to that time, just so it's more efficient. Okay, it's been about 5 or 6 minutes. We're at 98% here in the data reading. Now usually if something was done wrong, the computer isn't correct, install's not right, it'll error out about now. And then what this is saying is our instrument cluster may go black. It's going to take about 3 to 10 minutes to access the security, and then the reset should be complete. So what I'll do again is just pause the video until our security access. Oh, never mind, it looks like we're already good to go. There we go, learning successful. So now our reset has been complete. Our PATS module, the computer, should have what I call a handshake, and we should be good to add keys now. So we're going to go to control unit, keyless system. We're going to go to key learning, and then you'll have to do all smart keys lost. We're going to make sure we're connected to the internet. We're going to delete our keys, and then we'll probably have a small wait again for the security access, which hopefully won't take the full 10 minutes. Alarm is not active. And what you'll see here is we've got our nav screen and our gauge cluster. They will black out, sometimes throw some error messages, so just be mindful of that. So this may take up to 10 minutes. What I'm going to do for the sake of the video is I will wait until it's done configuring the system, and I will be right back. Okay, we're about 5 minutes into that 10-minute wait. Our screen has changed. Our cluster came back to life. You'll see some error messages like that. That's completely normal. So what this is saying now is if we want to clear all keys, we're going to hit yes. Learn keys 2. Should bring us down to 0. Now it's going to learn the new keys. So what we're going to do is take our first key. We're going to go ahead and put it inside that antenna ring in the cup holder. We're going to hit OK. If learned successfully, it'll say so, and the door locks will cycle. We're going to go ahead and remove our key. Learn the first one. We're going to take our second one, place it in the cubby. Going to hit yes, learn that key. Perfect, door lock cycled. Should say 2 keys. We are all set. Well, there you have it, guys. Go ahead and hit some buttons, make sure it's working, and let's fire it up. There you have it. That's how you parameter reset and all keys lost.